Okay, I am cleaning and organizing things today. So it's all looking kind of like a little mess. And trying to clean this place up. All this is my boating stuff here for my inflatable boat, which I will get to eventually. And this is pretty much organized. I mean, I at least can tell at a glance what it is. This is all going to be more organized. This is a mess. And emptied out one. And organizing some stuff, and then gonna get under there. I'm gonna get another storage shed so that I can put some stuff that's in here in the other storage shed. This will be destroyed by the weather, so I keep it in here. I'm gonna wash these. These are blankets and sheets and old stuff, and if animal shelters could use it, you know, I'll call and see. And this is just more stuff I found, and I'm trying to keep it all in one spot, but it still needs to kind of be broken down into other sections, but this is at least a start. And all this mess here, you know, a lot of this stuff can go in the new storage shed, which I'll have eventually. It's like 100 degrees outside, so I'm not going outside to do things. So I'm listening to a book on audio and just trying to clean this stuff up. You see, cats get into everything, and this is basically to try to make it a bit harder for somebody to come up in the window and look in. But the cats destroy everything. So anyway, yeah, I'm trying to get stuff somewhat organized. That way I can at least see stuff at a glance and know where it's at and all that. I've been going through this stuff for several years, and I'm continuing. Now I work a part-time job instead of 70 hours a week. So now I can get to this stuff a little bit better. And I want to just clear out cabinets. I want to clear out, you know, organize that better. Organize underneath better. Organize my drawers. This is a dishwasher because I wanted to do more cooking, but it's too big. It won't fit underneath, so I put this on the table and then run the hose over. But I haven't set that up yet. So anyway, this is just the mess. This is part of the organizing process. So, and there's Cece. Cece, what you doing, girl? Don't hurt yourself, buddy. There's John. Bella's hiding somewhere. There's Midnight. Kitty, kitty. Hi, baby. What's Mama doing? Alright, so anyway, I just wanted to give you a little update. You know, a little before and after. Alright, baby.